We had like 5 South Dakota cows, yellow and orange tags, get out. They crawled over that bunk and are out. And our Ed, my favorite bull, I couldn't find him this morning. He's just laying in one of the old machine sheds. So I don't know if he got like shoved in the bunk and what, but good morning. Nothing like cows being out, especially that group of cows, to make you have a good time. So, yay. Hey, it's your girl Andrea. That was a fun start to the video. So that was actually yesterday morning. What we like to see. Some of you care. Some of you don't very much. Fun. So we are going to work calves shortly. I'm just finishing up getting everything set up, ready to rock. We are utilizing the Performance Beef processing app quite a bit today, so it's a learning curve getting that rolling. Can you tell she wants her baby? And then a couple vaccinations, implants, DNA testing heifers that we potentially want to keep, all kinds of fun stuff. So it'll be a busy day. You can't hear a lot in there over them, so it'll probably be me talking to you after the fact because they're loud right now. So yeah, took you along for the ride. Cows got out yesterday. It was a good time, but it's weaning time, so get them processed, and then most of the calf work for the year's done, besides probably checking cows this fall yet. So. have one calf out of the bought-in cows from the sale barn that did have horns, so we used our burner that we used to use back in the day with Holstein bull calves. Essentially, this is just burning the tissue that will promote growth of the horn so they don't get any bigger, which is a safety hazard, and also they can get their heads stuck, hurt themselves, hurt the other calves, etc. Well, we got them all worked, processed. Performance beef worked really well, so 10/10 recommend. I'll likely make a more in-depth video the next group we work, which is this last group out on pasture. So stay tuned for that. We DNA tested just a small handful because most of our prospective heifers are actually out on pasture yet. So I think I did like 20 or so. Their vaccinations. It went well. They actually like fed themselves into the chute pretty naturally. They didn't want to go into the chute, stepping up and then the brisket bar, but they went well. So on day 2 of weaning, and obviously they're still crying, but just snapping, just making sure we're just snapping. They're not as, it's not as many. So now they're crying, so let the calves outside. But it's really quiet when we feed now, so. Hi, girls. It's actually pretty quiet. So this is day 3, I think, technically. Nice and windy, but it's pretty quiet. And I don't even have feed yet over here, so. Hey, girls. Well, it looks pretty good. Guess who's doing much better? So, Mom will transition back to the feedlot. And Oops will be a bottle baby for a while. That's the biggest calf right there. Not as much crying going on. Guys are getting pretty quiet, actually. Hi, kiddos. Some feed left yet. They look good. Well, they're doing well. They're not crying as much. I can actually speak and hear my volume and my voice here. But that's a little bit of a glimpse into weaning. Until next time, we'll see you then. Thanks for watching and make sure you hit that subscribe button.